ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today we've been called by a truck driving school where apparently a student has already dropped a truck and trailer in the ditch. This could prove interesting. We shall see. Okay, here we go. That's not good.
Oh, you almost had it a bit liver stronger than
Oh. This is nothing, just a straight pullback. We tie these together subframe to subframe instead of with that. We can probably yank them both out together.
But y'all ain't ever seen nothing like this.
Oh yeah, we see all kind of stuff.
Yeah, he wasn't watching this guy yesterday and got him into the ditch and he couldn't get out, so I honestly thought this was empty. I'd be able to hook this up and go, but
yeah, but DOT bumper to DOT bumper is never good because the DOT bumpers will fold.
oh, will they pull out?
You betcha they will.
Well,
They're not designed for anything other than bumping against the dock, really.
Okay.
Next
Well, I'm kind of glad we didn't then, huh?
Next time, try and go to that.
Come up underneath.
Yep, go to that slide
Yeah,
rail.
we never even thought about it, to be honest with you.
Now, is this one stuck too?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can't get it to go backwards even to loosen the chain.
Okay.
All right. So we'll do that. We'll get ours and we'll put a binder on it and we'll just pull both of them 2 for 1.
Apologize, guys. We
Oh,
appreciate you guys getting
don't
here so
worry
quick.
about it. Don't worry about it. This is what we do. This is not a problem.
Well, this ain't what we do, actually.
Well,
you know,
it happens to all of us.
Yesterday.
now he ain't here today.
It happens. We'll get it out, no problem.
Appreciate it, fellas.
We'll like I said, we'll get a good heavy chain between the two and bring it so we've got slack on there so it doesn't tear up the bumpers, and then we'll just pull them both out at the same time. Be easy. Oh, it's not bad. Freightliner, no, international full pins. All right. Just one.
Yes, I'll go ahead and get the truck in front and start unfolding it.
Come on, girl. There we go. All right. What I'm doing now, if you weren't able to hear it earlier, is I'm tying the subframes together rather than the DOT bumper, so it doesn't tear up the DOT bumper on these two trailers. DOT bumper is not a sufficient pull point. Okay. I have 2 heavy 3/8 chains. That was not quite enough to loosen it yet, but we've got those set up. That's good to go. Won't need much. No. Nope. Not on this one. Let's see if we can get the drag to pull. Maybe. No. No, we re-spooled it. Let's see if it'll pull. Got it on free? Whoa! Hold on a minute. Okay, brakes released. radios. They're not down there. In between the seats. Okay. That's all right. We'll just keep line of sight. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Other one in there? Okay. All right. Test.
Pass.
Good, okay. Alright, you keep an eye on truck number 1, I'll keep an eye on truck number 2.
Alright, just say when.
Alright, go.
A 2-for-1 special.
How we looking? You're up out of the hole almost. Everything's cleared. Let's just bring the front end all the way back up onto the gravel lot, maybe 10 feet.
Okay.
Doing good. Keep going.
Okay.
It's all right. The front end just fell in the hole where the drives had dug in. Keep going. Hold on for a second. Hold. We've got some slack in here. Let me take their chain out while we got slack.
Okay.
Now, I'm not going to put myself in between them. It's not going to roll, I don't believe. Not here on flat ground, but I'm still not going to put myself in between them.
Okay, clear. Stop.
Let's hold right there. I'll set the brakes on the front, or on the back one. You set the brakes on the lead.
On it.
All right. That was easy. Well, for that big truck, it makes it look easy. Brake set. Brake set.
He got up in there. Into the holes in the frame rail itself then, correct?
Actually, I went over the top
Oh, okay, I got
and took the hook
Yep,
and grabbed it into the rail
I got you.
like that.
All right. Yep.
But yeah,
Okay.
it's not advisable to pull on the bumper
That was
itself.
my fault.
Oh, that's all right.
Messed up. I honestly thought it was just about rolling. Yeah, that's
We'll do that later, but
right over there.
yeah, right on that, actually, they're not in right now, are they?
Yeah, I'll
Oh, okay.
Did I have an air horn? Just back enough to get my All right, ladies and gentlemen, 2-for-1 pull. Both of them out. Both of them are empty, so that made it a lot easier, but rare you get to pull 2-for-1. Made for an interesting start to the day. Anyway, nobody injured. No equipment was damaged. All in all, a good day. As always, thank you for watching. God bless.